Hi everyone, here we've got LG K22 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard. For example, in messages it doesn't really matter, and now all you have to do is simply tap on the settings icon. Now let's tap on languages, and as you can see here we've got the list of currently set languages. We've got only English right now. If you'd like to add another, just tap on add keyboard, and as you can see here we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So this list is so wide, and we've got a lot of options to choose from. All you have to do right now is simply find the language you'd like to use and tap on it. So let me pick something like maybe Arabic. Let me find it. It's here, so simply tap on it and choose the region if you've got some options to choose from. Now let's tap on done, and as you can see our new language immediately appears on our list. So we can go back to the keyboard. And as you can see here we've got two differences. So first of all, on the spacebar we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to switch languages. So now I'm freely typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon I can switch to the Arabic one. Tap on it and again the same situation. So actually this is how to add a new language to a keyboard, and now I will show you how to remove the language, because for some reason you don't need to have two different languages applied. So let's tap on the settings, tap on languages, and now let's tap on this pencil icon. Now let's make sure that the language you'd like to remove is marked, like here in my case it will be Arabic, and tap on this trash bin icon. As you can see it immediately disappears, so we can go back to the keyboard. And again here we've got two differences. Not only the spacebar is empty, but also we cannot see the globe icon, so it means that we successfully removed the language, and from now on we can only type in English. So actually that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your LG K22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.